Got an itch?
That's a sign of ears. And you're pulling on the ear.
What you doing, buddy?
What are you doing? Look at that nose. Run that. What's he doing? Is he swimming? Go swimming. Go swimming. Go swim. Swim, swim, swim.
I got him. She's eating it. I'm licking it.
Oh, there's nothing.
Put it on the paper.
It has that cream on it, that's all. It's dry.
She's licking it.
Okay, it's not dirty, it's clean.
Okay, good. He sits up, swings, and...
Yay!
You're crazy.
Woohoo! Good job!
Just let him go.
Good job! What? What? Yeah! You go right.